I've made millions of dollars with dropshipping over the last couple of years. And today we're gonna prove that anybody can make money dropshipping. So in the next 72 hours, I'm gonna attempt to help Sierra make $500 with his first dropshipping business. Okay, so first we need an actual product to sell. So the product that we're gonna sell needs to have a couple of features to make it a good product, okay? First, it has to be an evergreen product. So a product being evergreen, meaning that you can sell it at any time of the year. People are always gonna need this product. The next thing we're gonna need actually videos available of this product because we don't have time to actually go out and film. We only have 72 hours we need to make money with. We need to go find products that have videos available of them. And we also need to be able to make a profit, okay? And making a profit is very important because it's gonna allow us to be able to actually make money when we sell the product. So say we sell the product for $20, we need to make sure that we actually can get the product for like $5 or at least under $10 to make a profit. And how you do this is you need to make sure that whatever it costs you, say $7, that you can at least sell that product for $21, right? 3x of what it actually costs you. So we got some scrolling to do, bro. We got to go find a product now. And the method that we're going to use is the actual method that works today. So I told Sierra basically to start scrolling on his TikTok feed. And what this is going to do is it's going to show him actually ads that people are running on social media. And what he's going to do is he's going to keep scrolling until he finds one of these ads. He's going to save it like this one right here. He's gonna like the video, so TikTok shows him more of these ads. And eventually through his scrolling here, we're gonna find a product to sell on this store. So in your day-to-day life, I know you do videography, you do some creative work. What else do you do?
I'm also a nurse.
Okay, so he's a nurse. So what is something that like, a lot of the times, right? Products that go viral are products that we wouldn't buy ourselves. But in this case, since you do like have a day-to-day, job, what are some things that like you as a nurse can make your life easier?
A portable flashlight.
Flashlight, okay. So something to like use in your job day-to-day, like a light.
Yeah.
What about something that isn't for work? Like something that you use going to work, for example. Maybe think about like your commute. Think about
like a Stanley Cup.
A Stanley Cup. For example, right? Say you're walking in between like a lunch break or you're going from one office to another, you want to listen to some music, right? So what about some headphones?
Yeah, some glasses headphones.
Yeah.
Oh.
And if you want to be one of the few people just like Sierra that I help find a product and build a store and guide you to making your first $50,000 in sales, then go ahead and join the waitlist. It's linked in the description down below. I'm only going to be choosing a couple people from this waitlist that actually want to work with me one-on-one and make their first $50,000 in sales with e-commerce. So I think we found our product, okay? We talked about the glasses headphones, but this could be a good product because not only did it pop up on your TikTok feed, which means that this product can go viral again if we repost it and use it as an ad, but actually this is a good video because this product solves a real problem. Think about it, somebody who's running, somebody who's like swimming, they wanna listen to music, but they wanna hear their surroundings, right? You don't wanna just be caught blindsided if you're outside running or you're walking somewhere. Wearing headphones and regular over-the-ear headphones can actually prevent you from being safe. So
hearing loss and like damaging your ears.
Exactly, and not spending $200 on a pair of headphones.
Yeah.
Hey, you're about to make $500 a day.
Type shit. Hey.
We decided to switch up the location. We need to actually build the store now so we can have people come buy this product from us and we can make money. Trying to make some money though, bro?
I'm trying, yeah.
You know how they say you gotta manifest what you want in life? So you gotta work hard. Yeah. What would you do if I gave you this business right here, making $20,000 a day right now?
Alright, drop out of college. Yeah.
The goal is to get him to drop out of college. We need to make this store. We need to get the fucking work.
Not even in college. I'd drop out for it though.
My boy getting that. Okay, so going over the website and what we basically set up, we added the product from actually AliExpress. We took some of the images that were already on there. And what I did is I created custom images in Canva instead of using the basic white background photos that you usually see on these product listings. So basically what I did is I actually brought the photo into Canva. I hit edit and then I did the background remover and then removed the background. And then what I did is I just changed the color of the background here to the color that is actually on my website. See, this is how I structured the colors on my website. I made a darker brown as like the main color. So it actually looks good that the background of the photo is like this lighter kind of brownish, kind of beige color. So anyways, that's just the product photos. And then I found some of these photos online and all that I did is I added my company logo to it with the same exact product in the background. And actually in the description of the product, this is the next part that we'll go over here. Put some as seen on proof here in the description just to give the product page a little bit more oomph and give it a little bit more of something that people are going to trust when they actually go to the product page first. So this is how the product page looks like. We'll actually go to the landing page here. You ask yourself, how do you know what to say on this website? Well, what I do is I like to go to Amazon and I like to look up the actual competitor of my product, like the person who's selling the most units, right? Like 10,000 units a month. And I like going all the way down to their review section. And I look at the reviews here as to what customers are saying, and I'll copy all of these reviews. I then will go ahead and take it to ChatGPT and I'll tell it to summarize summarize this piece of text in 1 or 2 lines. Okay. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. And I'm going to actually tell ChatGPT now make it as if you are a professional DTC marketer and are adding this copy to a website to sell bone conduction headphones. Okay, we're gonna literally tell ChatGPT to make us the copy based on the review that we gave it. So here you go. This is exactly how you can do it. And now you can tell it even now make it so even a 5th grader can understand it. There you go. So now you have a piece of text you can use for your copy. And that's exactly how you want to piece together the website. You want to just basically go from section to section and talk about why this product is better than the alternative option. So this is like the alternative option, right? The before, where your ears hurt when you actually are listening to music. Now they don't hurt because you have this really nice bone conduction headphone, right? Where the thing is not sitting in your ear, right? And we tried to show it up here in a little bit better of an example as well. So we showed like, you know, the different kind of headphones here and how this one does not do that. So this is a very simple website, right? You don't need to complicate it more than that. Put some good copy on there and fix up the text so it looks like a branded website. Okay, so Sierra actually had to go to his job. So I'm just gonna update you guys as to what are the next steps now that we have the website done. Okay, so we now have the website done and we're ready to now start having customers come to our website to buy the product. But when they buy the product, how do they actually get it? Usually we would use a website like AliExpress or Alibaba to have a supplier in China send it to our customer. The only problem with these websites is that they usually take 3 to 4 weeks on average to ship your product versus a private agent. Now, a private agent, they basically work in the same places in China, except they are more incentivized to actually get you a better price because they're more used to dealing with people who order in volume. Now, I have my own private agent in China that I've been working with and building out for the last 7.5 years since I got into this business. So if you guys want access to my own private agent that I've been using for all these years, that gets me not only the lowest cost on products, but faster shipping than AliExpress or Alibaba, then go ahead and message me on Instagram, the word supplier. Now, my supplier is also going to tell me how much the product costs, which is going to help me actually add the price to my website for what customers are going to buy this product for. And that's where the offer comes into play. Okay, your offer is very important because people are going to buy the product because of one of 2 reasons. Either A, they feel like they can take advantage of you, or B, because they actually need the product. And a lot of the time, people who want to take advantage of your offer are people who maybe don't really need the product, but are buying it on an impulse basis. And this is really great for products that are priced around the $10 to $15 range, because a lot of people are buying products that are 10 to 15 bucks and they don't really think twice about it. So for us, our product costs around $5.05 for every single order. So I think if I sell this product at $14.99, we're going to be in a pretty good spot to have this become a profitable product for us. And since I get 2 for $11, I'm going to do a buy one, get one deal for $19.99. This is going to be the offer that I want most people to take, is to buy 2 of the product to actually get more of a return. Because see, if they only buy 1, I'm only going to make $14.99, but if they buy 2, I can make $19.99 or more. Now that we have the website done, we know how much the product costs. The only thing that's left is to actually get people to come to our website now to buy the product. So there's 2 ways that we're going to go about this to get people to come and buy the product from our website. The first is going to be organic traffic, and the second is going to be paid traffic. Now with both of these, we're going to need videos to actually advertise this product with. So I'm going to head over to Kalo Data and I'm going to type in the product name inside of the product search bar. And from here, there's dozens of videos that I can use that people have already created using this product. And I'm going to use this metadata cleaner. So every single video that I download from Kalo Data, I can actually clean the metadata before I go and reuse that video. This is very important because you don't want the platform that you're going to be posting this video on to know that the video came from somewhere else. So once I've downloaded the videos and I've cleaned the metadata, now it's time to actually go and create my TikTok account, which is going to allow me to go and upload these videos to a brand new account. This is sort of how you want to structure the account. This is for another store, so it's not for this one, but it's essentially the same thing. You just want to make a simple bio, put a nice clean profile picture, and then post at least 9 times over the next couple of hours. Leave 30 minutes in between each time that you upload, so you're not just uploading one video and then you go upload another one right after it. But give it 30 minutes to an hour before you go re-upload another video, and this is going to ensure that each of your videos is going to hit a massive audience. And if any of these videos goes viral, that's free money. I mean, we didn't have to spend any money on advertising to have customers come and buy this product from us. We just posted the video and got sales. And the other option is we'll paid advertise it. And I'm going to launch a simple paid ads campaign using TikTok ads for $100 a day tomorrow to see how this does. And we're going to compare the results from spending money on ads to not spending money on ads to see how much money we make. Okay, so I just got off the phone with Sierra. He actually works for like multiple days at a time. Like he'll go on a Monday and he'll come back on like a Thursday. So I can't really call him right now because he's busy, but what I can do is I can check in on the store and see how the results are doing so far, since not only we posted the video, we also launched some ads the other day. Now I already went over with the ads that we only spent like 20 bucks or less than like 20 bucks, and it didn't really deliver at all because the account didn't actually get approved. Okay, so when I met Sierra, it was Wednesday, July 17th, and we started the store on that day. So let's just go to that day here. We set up the store and we put the ads live for on the 16th, on the 17th. So when we launched, we started to get a little bit of traffic into the website. We had 649 visitors on day one, and we had 328 sales from 19 total orders. So we're sitting just at about like a $15 average order value, which isn't too bad on day number one. Now on day number two, we did 11 orders. We had a higher conversion rate. We had a 3% conversion rate, and we generated $239. July 20th being the last day of our challenge, we only made $45 with 2 sales and a 0.94 conversion rate. Okay, now if we look at it from the start, we see from the 17th all the way up until the 20th, in that 3-day period there, we had $614.15 in sales. Now this is pretty good. We had a 2.5% conversion rate, and we had 32 total orders on the store. So how do we get all these sales if our ads didn't get approved? How did people come to our website and find it? Well, it's because we took those videos that our product was being advertised in, and instead of just running ads to them on TikTok, we also posted them on TikTok. And when you post a video on TikTok, TikTok pushes that video out to more and more people who would likely actually be interested in the video that you're promoting. And from all those views that we got, which was about 750,000 views here, we generated this $613-ish in sales. Now our product costs $5.05 for every single order. We had a total of 35 individual orders on the store, which leaves our total cost of goods sold to $192.05. We generated $614 in revenue, which brings us to a total amount of $422.05 in profit in these last 3 days.
Yo.
What's up with you, bro?
Hey, it's a shit show. Shit hit the fan, bro. Kasra, you know, stick.
But as I said, you remember the law of attraction?
Yeah.
Talk about the 20K day, but we attracted something else. Aim high, aim high. Yeah. So in total, we made $614. Profit though, remember profit, $442.
That's good because like I didn't even really have to do much.
And you still got the work in.
And you still got the work.
Man. So okay, if you were to, for example, go to LA in 5 days, 3 days, 5, 7 days, 10 days, and you wanted to stay, right? You didn't want to come home. How are you going to pay for it? You can't go back to the...
Simultaneously, this going to pay for it.
Now, I know Sierra's happy because we finally got him a dropshipping business that is making money. And see, just like Sierra's at his job right now, his dropshipping store is making money. And that's why e-commerce is such an amazing business model, and it's the reason why I got into it. I wanted to make money in my sleep. I wanted to make money no matter what time of the day it was, or no matter what obligations I had. If you want to be like Sierra and have me help you find a product, build a store, and guide you to $50,000 in sales over the next couple of months, click the first link in the description down below. You're going to get access to my waitlist, and my waitlist is going to give you an opportunity to work with me one-on-one when I do release a program that actually allows you to work with me one-on-one. I'm only choosing people from this waitlist to actually work with me, and if that's you, then go ahead and click the link in the description down below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, guys.